The Grace ChekVolt from Grace Technologies is a simple and effective through-the-door communication device that serves as a visual indicator of voltage presence and mitigates arc flash and shock exposure hazards. Installation only requires a 30mm knockout, and the Grace ChekVolt can be wired directly to line side or load side through its 4-potted lead wire connections. This touch-safe and voltmeter compatible device aims to help increase your productivity and can save you anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes with each lockout tagout procedure. This is possible because the Grace ChekVolt allows you to take voltage readings without having to open an enclosure or panel door, keeping people safe while the doors are closed through its LED voltage presence indication. Intended for use up to 1000 volts DC and 3-phase circuits up to 1000 volts AC, this compact device can easily integrate with control enclosures, drive cabinets, switch gears, local disconnects, and motor control centers. Boasting multiple standards and certifications, the Grace ChekVolt enhances worker safety and follows all steps defined in the NFPA 70E120.5. For more information on the Grace ChekVolt from Grace Technologies, visit us at galco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Galco TV so you can be notified when new videos are posted every week.